Welcome. Today we're learning the 15 most common English verbs for beginners. Let's start with walk. I walk to school every day. Next is run. I run in the park every morning. Third, we have eat. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Now, let's learn drink. I drink water all day. Next is sleep. I sleep for 8 hours each night. And read. I read a book every week. Next is write. I write in my diary every day. Now, we have speak. I speak English and Turkish. Listen is next. I listen to music in the evening. Next is play. I play soccer with my friends. Next is work. I work at an office. Now, we have study. I study English every day. Next is watch. I watch TV at night. Next is open. Finally, we have close. Great job. Let's end with a little quiz. What does walk mean?